Keeping customers informed is key to a smooth delivery experience. We all know that when customers don't know the status of their deliveries, it can lead to frustration. Actually, missed deliveries often happen when receivers aren't informed. And many customers resort to calling for updates, which takes time and effort. Metrobi solves this with automated delivery notifications. Customers get updates when their packages are picked up, on its way, and delivered. Hi, my name is João, and in this video I'm gonna show you the delivery notifications feature of Metrobi. Let's explore how it keeps everyone in the loop. Well, so this is the dashboard where you are going to be able to customize the messages that are going to be sent to your customers. Basically, we have 3 text messages and also 1 email. For the text messages, we have when the package is out for delivery, also when the receiver is the next in line, and also a delivery confirmation after the delivery has been completed. And also the email is here for you if you want to make some changes here, customize, improve your customer experience. You can do that. You can just simply here write your statement and also make some changes using this button over here. You can add tags. You can make sure that your customers are going to have a personalized and great experience. Keep your customers updated every step of the way with delivery notifications. Click the button below to create your account and start using Metrobi today.